Welcome to our channel. Today I want to show you how to clean the microphone in a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 tablet. We start by making sure the tablet is turned off. If your tablet is on, you need to turn it off by holding down the power button and selecting the power off option. Once it's turned off, we need 100% pure isopropyl alcohol for cleaning, so that it first softens the dirt, helps it evaporate, and then, well, so that the dirt evaporates. Actually, not evaporate completely, but so that it gets thoroughly cleaned. And then we want the alcohol to evaporate so that it leaves no trace behind. We also need a rectangular brush with flexible bristles. The bristles should be soft or medium hard. You can buy everything you need in a set on Allegro or Amazon. And if you don't have the option to buy one, you can use a regular toothbrush. Just make sure the bristles are soft or medium hard, otherwise you'll scratch your phone. So once we've turned off the tablet, we thoroughly moisten the brush with alcohol so it's wet. We take the tablet in our hand, and here we have the microphone hole, which we need to clean. So we move the toothbrush in one direction, about 10, 10, 5, 10, 15 strokes in one direction, then do the same in the other direction. 5, 10, 15 strokes, then towards the screen. 5, 10, 15 strokes, and do the same towards the cover. 5, 10 strokes. To thoroughly clean this microphone, it's best to repeat in each direction 2 or 3 times, about 20 or 30 strokes each way. That way, it will be perfectly cleaned. The microphone. Specifically, the microphone opening and the microphone itself is underneath, inside the tablet's casing. But for sound to reach it, we need to have an opening that brings clean sound to it. Remember, you need to make several strokes in one direction, because if you just go right, left, the dirt will only be moved around and won't come out of the opening. After the procedure, set the tablet aside for about 10 or 15 minutes to let the isopropyl alcohol evaporate, and after that time you can turn the phone or tablet back on and use it as normal. That's all for today. Thank you very much for your attention. I would appreciate likes, thumbs up, subscriptions, and see you in my next video.